Solana tokens have been going absolutely to the moon, but what's going to happen with the actual Solana coin and the Solana ecosystem? That's what we're taking a look at. Guys, overall on this channel, we're very bullish on Solana, and I'm hoping you guys are too. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Solana and where is the price going to go? Are we going to see Solana to continue riding up, or are we going to see Solana slowly fizzle away? Before I start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. And like always, guys, this is not financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the tokens we cover on this channel. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we see the overall crypto market is down 1.4% on the day. We're seeing red across the board, which could be a bit bearish. We're seeing Bitcoin down about 2% on the day, Ethereum down about 3%. Solana's up though. Solana's up almost a percent. We're imagining it could continue to rally up. Overall crypto market sitting in 57 on the fear and greed index. We're sitting closer to greed than fear, which is good, even though we're technically in a, well, not technically, we are in neutral. But again, very exciting to see what comes next in the crypto mix. Now, when we go to Solana, we can see Solana currently trading at $147, and their market cap is $66 billion, making a top 5 cryptocurrency across the board, which is absolutely massive. We're imagining Solana to bounce back to $200. We can even see somebody indicating with some charts here. Solana is heading back to $200 price level. We can see this is a chart drawn out. Can we see it break past 200? It's quite possible, right? Even when we go to Solana's all time, we see at one point Solana was peaking at $147, and this wasn't even in the current bull run. This was in the last bull run where Solana, yes, Solana NFTs were kind of popping off, but the actual Solana meme coins was not even necessarily a thing. Now, with a whole new mix of Solana meme coins, Bitcoin outbreaks, post-halving, we're imagining Solana could potentially go to 300, maybe even 400. Again, the reason why I say this is, typically speaking, right, when we look at, let's take Bitcoin, for example, right? And we go to its all-time charts, we can see usually Bitcoin obviously has higher and higher highs, okay? All this news in the way, but you can see first pump in 2017 was first big bull market. Then we saw another pump in 2021, second bull market, and then now this third mainstream bull market, we saw an even higher high, right? Now, not necessarily do we see double in this case, but in this case, we saw almost a triple in terms of price, right? So let's not even get too ahead of ourselves, right? Even if we don't double or triple, right? If we're seeing Solana's all-time high was sitting at $250, getting this to $350 is not that crazy. And the reason for this is a lot of people are buying and trading the Solana meme tokens. And in order to buy and trade tokens, you need to actually own and hold Solana, right? Or at least you got to buy Solana before the transaction. That being said, that alone is going to cause people to buy and load up on Solana, right? Also, as more and more ecosystem, more and more centralized exchanges are listing these Solana tokens, they will also need some Solana as liquidity. So that being said, those two factors alone should help pump the price of Solana a little bit. Now we're taking a look at the actual technical reports, guys. We can see Solana down 14% on the month. On the past 6 months, we're up a whopping 160%. Year to date, approximately 45%, which is not too shabby. Now when we go in to see the technical reports, we can see oscillators are in buy, moving averages are in buy, and summary is in buy. Obviously, because people are loading up on Solana. Now the news around Solana is obviously crazy. Solana is always being brought into the news. Now sometimes not just about the token, mostly about the project, but in some cases, obviously Solana co-founder says Cosmos and One Sol rival are clear winners in building the Solverity blockchains. So we can see definitely Solana is getting pulled in the mainstream mix, and this is great as well. The more news and coverage around Solana, more people get formally educated, and more people start understanding the ecosystem, and they can obviously jump into the bandwagon. Now we'll take a look at the top Solana meme coins by market cap. We see overall, Solana holds $7.3 billion in market cap across just their meme tokens, right? Which is absolutely insane. And again, this is not actually even including Solana. So you take the $7 billion that they have in the market cap, plus the $66 billion that the token's market cap is. This is a lot of money in the Solana ecosystem. So a bunch of exciting things ahead, right? And I always compare Solana to BNB, right? Because BNB has a similar trend last bull run where everybody was listing on the Binance Smart Chain with BNB tokens, and it caused BNB to absolutely rally from basically a couple of bucks to then $700, which is absolutely insane. We can imagine the same thing for Solana, and Solana is lagging only a little bit, roughly $20 billion in market cap behind. So again, very bullish for Solana as a whole. Now guys, we cover a ton of Solana based meme coins on this channel, and we cover everything crypto news. So if you want to get the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, and let me know how you guys are feeling about Solana in the comment section. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it out. Comment your opinions in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up this video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.